Today we're going to talk about a new app in Canva that lets you make images like this, or like this, and lets you turn something like that into something like that. The app is called Image to Frame, and it is brand shiny new on Canva. It's only just popped into my Canva page quite recently. As always, we're going to start with Create a Design, and we're going to go for custom size, 1600 by 2560, because that's what we want for Kindle cover. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we teach authors how to use Canva to make their book marketing images. If you are an author who would like to talk to other authors about Canva and get feedback on your designs, come and join the free Facebook group. The link is in the description. Okay, right. So what this app does is it'll take a image, ideally quite a sharp silhouette like this one, and turn it into a frame. So this, I just searched for woman dancing and I found this. Now, what we're going to do now is going to require a Canva Pro account. So we're going to download it as a PNG with a transparent background. As you can see, that has a crown on it. So you need Canva Pro for that. If you would like to try Canva Pro for 30 days for free, there is a link in the description again. Just click on it and sign up and you should get your 30-day free trial. And you download it. Now, I'm not going to hit download because I've already done this, and this is the third time I'm recording this because things kept messing up. So we're going to go and find this app. And it's called Image to Frame. I think it is very cool. So Image to Frame. Now you can't use it, in theory you can use it directly from things that are in your design, but it's not worked very well when I've tried it. So I've had to download it and then re-upload it if you like. So I'm going to choose woman dancing out of my files. And there you go. Let's put it in, add frame to design. And it has turned my lady into a frame. So let's just make it clear. Look, there she is. Make it black so it's nice and dramatic. And then you can put whatever you want inside that frame. And it's really good for making textures and cool things like that. So what I did for glitter was I've just searched for glitter, found a glitter image. There we go. And I wanted it, I rotated it because I wanted the glitter at the top. And then I think I added some sparkle so that it looked like she was wearing a sparkly ring. And a sparkly earring. There. Or if you wanted to, you could detach the image and you could put something cool like this in. How funky is that? Neat, right? Okay, so that's how image to frame works. Now I said I would show you how to convert that picture of an arm into a sort of retro book cover like this. If you make anything using these, do tag me and let me know because I'm always fascinated to see what you create. Same process. You download it as a PNG that is transparent. So no background. Then you upload it again. Go into the app. Actually, you don't need to upload it. You just need to know where to find it. Go into the app. Choose file. Keeping it simple. And add frame to design. And there's your arm. And then to make it all fiery, you get a picture of some flames. I just searched for flames. Got this. There. And if you wanted to, you could make the flames bigger and just move it around until you have something really fiery looking. There. There. Then you add some text and you can get a retro looking horror type cover. There's going to be lots and lots of different ways that you can do this. There are some limitations though. I tried it on less dramatically defined pictures like this one, and it left, when it made the frame, it left weird chunks out. So I think it will be improved over time. If you found this video useful, please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.